How to remove activation lock from Apple Watch. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone and now tap on the All Watches option you see there on the top left of your screen. You will then be able to see all your watches connected to your iPhone. So tap on the eye like icon on the right side of your screen from the watch that you want to remove. Now, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Unpair Apple Watch. Tap on that and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the Unpair Apple Watch option again, and with this, the device will be unpaired. You will then be required to enter your Apple ID to continue with the process and remove the watch. Make sure that once you unpair the device will be unpaired with your Apple Watch. However, the activation lock will not be removed. So, in order to remove the activation lock too and connect your Apple Watch with some other device, what you have to do is go ahead and open Find My on your iPhone and then tap on the Devices option from the bottom of your screen. Here, navigate your Apple Watch and tap on it, and now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Erase this device. Tap on that, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the Continue button you see there, and you will then be required to enter your Apple ID and password connected with your Apple Watch. So go ahead and enter the Apple ID and the password connected to your Apple Watch, and with this, you will be able to remove the activation lock from your Apple Watch successfully. So, this is how you could remove activation lock from Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.